Alrighty, here's a nice little short one here, just kind of a add-on, but this is about making debris, bricks and stuff like that. If you look at some of my dioramas, you'll notice that I do a lot of debris and a lot of piles of brick and stuff. This is very simple to do once you are able to cut your brick out just by eyeballing it. And if you get the general size of your brick, and if you can eyeball it, use your blade or whatever is measuring. But this is so simple. This is a scrap piece of styrofoam, but you can take a big piece of styrofoam, cut your debris field, and then cut out where you're going to countersink your wall in, and you'll have built-in debris. Anyway, simple way to do this is same thing with your lath plaster. Here, you're just going to cut down and get a straight edge. So again, choke up on that blade, and any angle, 45 degree, 90 degree, 60, whatever, because bricks are all different. They're laying there, they're going to be all in different angles. Anyway, so I've already got a line here started, but this is about a 45 degree angle, and again, choke up on that blade. But look, I flick my wrist out. I flick it out, and look, I've already got a flat surface already, so all I got to do is find that 90 degree from that flat surface, and I flick it out. And look at that, I've already got a square, so there's already a brick there. So all you're going to do is just eyeball the size and get that straightened out. So find that straight and just chop it off, and about the length of the brick you want is, the normal length of the brick I'm going to do is about 3 little sections on your knife. I use about 3, maybe 4, but anyway. And then square it up. If you're really good at eyeballing stuff, square it up, and there's your brick. Anyway, this just takes practice, just doing 90 degrees and doing rectangles. Just, eyeball your brick, or just kind of, if you're working on a project that you're going to add rubble to, eyeball your brick. Look at that. That's about 3 little sections on your blade. It's a snap-off blade, so use those as measuring devices. So that's about 3 there. So come down here, measure out 3. And the bricks are going to be generally the same size. And this is, again, if this is a bigger piece of styrofoam, you would cut out your debris field and actually cut out a place where this sets right in there. And you've got a building with a nice debris field around the edges, because you never see a bombed out building with clean sidewalks or clean floors. There's always going to be debris laying there. Anyway, but this is just an idea, and like I said, it actually helps you practice with all your different angles, because again, you're looking at a pile of debris, so nothing's going to look uniform unless it's just a big wall section laying there. But practice on all your angles. Everything's an angle, 90 degree. And like I said, just choke up on that blade. And it doesn't matter. Just start somewhere blind and just whatever angle, just slice in there and break it off. And then go from there. And pretty soon you're going to get pretty good where you're going to be able to create a nice little pile of brick or whatever. And then you can trim it out, lay it there, or use it for something else. Anyway, I'll show you how to incorporate this into a bigger piece of foam, because a lot of these foam boxes, they come with these big foam lids, and it's like 3.5 inches thick. So what I'm going to do off this is I'll shave it down about halfway and get my brick or my concrete going. Then I will chip away and leave a lot of that thickness and do the rubble. Just cut the rubble straight into the and then there's your inset there that you can cut out a square and then set glue your wall in there. So anyway, just an idea. Got any questions or something, just chime in, whatever. The title of this is going to be my Facebook page, so Large Scale Diorama Werks, and you'll see a lot of stuff on there. But anyway, chime in.